All right, you guys, so previously I showed you exactly how to set up this LCD booth, but now we're gonna dive into the interface. I'm gonna show you guys how to take this memory card, insert a video, then insert this memory card onto this piece of photo booth right here. That was terrible wording. And I'm gonna show you guys how to get that video to reloop and play on this LCD booth. Let's go ahead and enter this card onto my laptop. And then we're gonna go ahead and move a file right into here. So let's find a file to move right in there. Let me see. Just as an example, a quick example. There you go. We'll go ahead and move that one. We'll move that video right in here. Okay, now it's inside of my memory card. I can see it right there. I'm gonna go ahead and eject that memory card. And let's go ahead and connect that memory card right over back here, guys. Let me show you. Now, one thing right back here, right down here, I'm gonna go ahead and just put it in here. One of the things my supplier didn't tell me, guys, is that you need a mouse. So I have my mouse connected. As you guys can see, my little mouse is right here. All right. Now let's go ahead and watch this screen here, Albert. Okay, so this is how your screen looks, guys. One thing that I noticed is on this this interface, I think it's Android. Yeah, it's Android. When you hit the right button here on your mouse, it always takes you back. So if you guys need to go back, just press this back, okay? So now we're gonna go ahead and look for that memory card we just inserted. So I'm gonna go down here to the settings. And then from settings, I'm gonna go over to storage. And from storage, I'm gonna select our card. This is our card right here. All right, so this is the information that's in our card. Now let's find the video we moved over. I wonder if it's this video. Could it be this video? No, it's not that video. Is it this one? Yep, so that's the video. And so I'm gonna go ahead and press the right button to go back once. All right, so now that we know that this is our video, what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna click on the video. When it has a blue arrow, I'm gonna go to these three dots up here. See these three dots up here? At the very, very top, cool. I'm gonna go to move to, and I'm gonna move it to the internal memory right here. All right, so now that I moved it to the internal memory, I'm gonna wanna move it to the DCIM folder right here. And once I select DCIM, I'm gonna go down here and I'm gonna go to move. I'm gonna select move. Okay, so that's been moved. Okay, so that's been moved. So what I'm gonna do now then is I'm gonna right click the mouse so I can go back. Because now what I wanna do, I'm gonna keep going back. I'm gonna eject our memory card, okay guys? I'm gonna eject it, hit that. The card is ejected now, sweet. Now what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna hit this button again so I can go back. But this time I went all the way back into just like the regular desktop. Next thing I wanna do is I'm gonna go to this little folder right here, click on that folder, and this is what I see now. These are all of my options. The video that we just selected is right here, guys. This is the video we just selected. I'm gonna go ahead and click on that video. Cool. So that's the video right there. Now, one thing I want to show you guys is if you guys scroll down, first click on the screen and scroll down to these little three dots right here. You're gonna go to play mode, and then you're gonna go to repeat one, because we want to repeat this, okay? So now, as it's finishing, we're gonna see if it reloops. There you go. So it's relooping now, and now you can step away and this is gonna play the entire time. But you guys wanna make sure you use this to your advantage because this right here is 3 feet long and 10 inches wide. So you can use this entire space to continuously promote your business or just really personalize it for the client. And yeah, this LCD booth, guys, I just bought it. I haven't used it yet, but I will tell you when I break even, I expect to make my money back within 2 events of using this LCD booth. So thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.